Hello guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Q&A video. In this video, I will be clearing queries for the people who have already joined Accenture. Okay, Kiran Mahakumar, kindly provide links from where you purchased whiteboarding tablet. Go through my videos, unboxing video and the short video. The links are mentioned in the description box. So yeah, you can find their links. Next query by Love Mishra. He is asking the TFA experiences. So TFA, your TFA is held before joining or after joining Accenture. Either of two conditions can happen. So the TFA consists of two parts. First is MCQ and the second is the hands-on. So in hands-on you will be getting 70 minutes to solve two parts of question. First part consists of Java question. There will be two questions. You can solve any of the two questions in Java, any one of the two questions in Java. And for the next part, in the next part there will be RDBMS question. There will be two sets. You can select any of the two sets under RDBMS section. So in each set there will be two questions each. One will be related to normal functions and the second will be joins and subquery for sure. So yeah, in this way hands-on takes place. So basically you need to do three questions, two for DBMS and one for Java. So in MCQ round there will be 50 questions. You have to solve 50 questions within 90 minutes. So those questions will be from your TFA modules, that is pre-onboarding module. So yeah. Next, someone is saying that you should have bought chair and a movable chair and table. So yeah, Accenture gave 18K and I thought to buy many other things which I was not having. So yeah, I bought those things and 18K was over. So yeah, and I'm not fond of so sexy chairs and table. So yeah, I took other things. Someone is asking that when can we reimburse our work from home setup? So as we know that Accenture gives 18K and you can reimburse your work from home setup between 1 to 10th of every month before December 2021. Someone is asking that how can we reimburse our work from home setup? For reimbursement, you need to keep the bill and you need to keep the invoice and you have to scan all the invoices and make a PDF and upload into the reimbursement tab. And in this way your work from home setup will be reimbursed and you will be getting the reimbursement in the end of the month with your salary. So the next question is from Shaina. She is asking that how do we select this stream? Are the preferences given? So yeah, Shaina, preferences are given to you. You can choose and in the order you want. You can choose the first preferences, second preferences, and accordingly all the preferences. And yeah, they will give you your stream according. They will just check your TFA score, your tech stack score, rank, your tech stack rank, and yeah, overall performance, and also how fast you fill the preferences. You will accordingly get your stream. Next, Megha is asking that, hey Gargi, can you please share the GFT experience? So yeah, after selecting this stream, you go through 2 weeks of training if you belong to ASC, and if you belong to SC then whole month of training is held. And also for few particular branches there is 1 or 2 months training and then you have test. You have one MCQ round and one coding round, one case study and one interview. And for the people who have the 2 weeks of training and then they go into project, so for them once in a week training is given to them and rest 4 days they work on project, and once in a month you will give MCQ test. There will be 4 MCQ tests in total and there will be one case study at the end and one coding round and also one interview. Rahul is asking that did you receive welcome kit? Yeah, we received welcome kit. We received laptop, headset, bag, and few of them received mask, bottle, coffee mug. So yeah, depends on the location. They send the welcome kit. Ritu is asking that do Accenture provide laptop? Yeah, Accenture provide you laptop as you need to work on project. And yeah, you will get your laptop within 1 or 2 weeks of joining. So yeah. Also, one more thing, you don't receive laptop before joining. If you are a senior, then maybe you receive before joining, but if you join as a fresher, then you will receive after joining. So yeah, that's all. So I hope I covered all the queries. That's all from my side. I hope it helps. So yeah, if you like my video, then please hit on that thumbs up button, and please do comment below your experience and your queries. And yeah, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.